So I work for a company called Dayco Incorporated. We are an automotive manufacturer of engine belts. My specific role, I'm technical accounting manager. We partner with the AKC team as consultants and the Tagetik team as well, just to learn, how can we improve efficiencies? How can we get the best data as quickly as possible to be able to, allow our management to make the best strategic decisions. So one of the things that we loved about CCH Tagetik was it enabled us to really configure the consolidation tool and personalize it to best suit the needs of our business. Since utilizing CCH Tagetik, we've been able to expedite our close process from a 9-day close to a 6-day close. And I think that's just from a lot of value add from harnessing more efficient data utilization and presentation of that data. I think the primary benefit of Tagetik's account reconciliation tool is the personalization of the format of the reconciliation. Every business operates differently. Every business has its intricacies and uniqueness. Tagetik allows you to modify that tool in a way that best suits your business. Tagetik has been extremely supportive in helping us with that implementation. It's easy to use, very intuitive, user-friendly. Just from a support perspective, I've been extremely appreciative of giving us the guidance necessary to be able to make that implementation as smooth as possible.